It's just 7 disgusting habits of highly successful polyps. How you all doing? Boy, it's hot out there. I think I lost a little of my fatty tissue. How you all doing today? All right? Huh?
How are you?
I'm doing okay. Can you hold me here? Go ahead, don't let me interrupt. Go ahead. Keep talking there, buddy. Who's talking?
You don't want to sit next to that guy.
Is he talking?
He doesn't like polyps.
He doesn't? You know, some of my best friends are polyps.
Are they?
Yeah, you know what? I got an album coming out of the greatest hits, my favorite polyp songs. My favorite one is Once, Twice, 3 Times a Polyp. No, you don't like that one. How about polyps just want to have fun? No, you don't like that one either. How about, oh, you know what my favorite is? I want to hold your polyp. Okay. I'm going to sing a little for you. You know, you're a great crowd. I just take you all right home with me, but, you know, I don't think you all fit. Anyway, here we go. Polyps, nothing more than polyps. If you know it, sing along with me. Polyps. Oh boy. Anyway, say, you all have been a great crowd.
Let's get it. If you walk around and go with all the people, we could take video of you.
Oh, okay.
Give each a hug.
There you go, fatty tissue. Okay.
Oh, my new friend.
Okay. Okay. All right,
That's so cute.
this will be in the family album.
There might be.
Okay. Okay.
Were you in Pulp Fiction?
I missed that.
Let's go like this.
Okay.
That's great.
Okay, I don't know if I can fit that here. Although after this heat wave, I might be able to. How you doing? Okay. Okay. No, I'm not gonna be able to make it back there. So anyway, I gotta go.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Okay?
He did. Should we put him in his diaper and then take